4.1 Exponents. I can evaluate expressions with exponents.
Beautiful. Thank you. So today is our first chapter, or first section for chapter 4, and we're working on exponents. Some of this is review, some of it is a little new, and so here we go. Vocabulary. Exponential form is when a base number raised to an exponent, indicating the number of times that base is used as a factor. So basically, if we have 4 to the second, we're multiplying 4 2 times. 4 times 4. And then power is a number produced by raising by raising a base to an exponent. Sorry. Okay, so I will look at this cheat sheet over here on number 1, and that kind of lays out what those terms are talking about. Here. Writing exponents. So when we write exponents, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 is what, class? 4 to the 4th power. Yep. So our base is talking about the number that we are multiplying, and then the exponent is the number of times that that base is being repeated. So here on number 4, we can see that a is being repeated 5 times, so a is a to 5, to the 5th exponent. Sorry. So when we do variables, never write the variable first unless there is an operation sign separating those two numbers. So we can see here that we have b squared times 5/3, or 5 to the 3rd, 5 cubed. And we have that sign here, so that is a, okay? If we switch it to 5 cubed times b squared without a sign, that is okay, because the number is first, not the variable. Okay. If we have a negative sign inside of parentheses, what happens? Yeah, so you multiply with the negative, so parenthesis, -7, parenthesis, and you're taking that 3 times, so that whole thing. So evaluating these exponents, we have exponential form and expanded form. So if an exponent is inside a parenthesis, or if there's parentheses with an exponent, you are applying everything in those parentheses to that exponent. If there is only, if there is no parentheses, sorry, then you are only applying that exponent to the base. So you can see that in number 8 and 9. How they look like very similar problems, but we can see in number 8 that it ends up being negative. In number 9, it does not, because we are applying that negative sign as we go. Very good. For number 10, we did a fraction one. We all know how to multiply fractions, correct? Good. So you should be able to do that pretty easily. Again, the negative sign was outside of the parentheses, so we applied it later, making our total negative 1 over 729. In number 11, we practiced a lot of order of operations. And what is the one thing that we kind of came out with? Understanding from that? Does anyone remember? Yeah.
Do it step by step.
Do it step by step. I love that. Do not combine, especially when you're getting started, because there might be confusion, or will be confusion, and we don't want that to affect your answer. Finally, the diagonal formula. So we have this diagonal formula, and we know that D is equal to the diagonals that we are looking for, and is the number of sides of a shape. And so we can use this formula to apply our exponents into a real-life formula, so we won't have to draw as many times. Any questions?